guys, a very warm welcome to one and all watching this video. This is Gaurav from Splash Fragrance, and today I wanted to give you an introduction about how does Splash work. Splash Fragrance is basically an e-commerce website running since last 11 years, serving all across the globe with regards to the huge range of brands ranging from niche, designers, artisanal like Botnikov, Ariz Ledore, and also hard to find vintage perfumes. Splash Fragrance was incubated in 2011 when the market was quite struggling with the designer brands in India like CK, Gucci, Burberry, because people were hardly knowing about the niche brand. We did quite a lot of research in the field of perfumes as to what sort of fragrances would work in India, and that was the only reason we started with the niche perfumes primarily, and now we are selling designers as well to cope up with the market. And guys, this being an introductory video, I just wanted to give you my 2 cents on a fragrance by the House of Creed. It's called as Aventus. Could you please zoom it? Creed Aventus is a perfume from the Paris brand, and it was basically made to celebrate the 250th anniversary of Creed. It comes under the genre of fruity sheeped fragrance, wherein the top note smells of citrus with a very heavy base note of animalic like musk, oak moss. This one has a beautiful citrus blast, and also once Olivier Creed stated that they don't focus much on the top notes but rather on the base notes because they want to give an olfactive experience to the wearer, because top notes fade away very fast and what is remained with the customer or the wearer is the base note. So guys, if you like this video, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe, and drop in your comments if you have any suggestions. Thank you.